So you're probably wondering how you might cover your hair transplant the immediate days after the procedure in order to avoid other people knowing you've had anything done. I wanted to canvass the options that patients have in trying to hide their transplant procedure the immediate days after their procedure. A lot of our clients are high-end clients. They've got forward-facing jobs. They're in front of people all of the time. They can't be shaving their whole head like a lot of clinics require them to do. One of the points of difference at Hair Transplants Melbourne that we have is that we do not require you to shave all of your hair for a transplant. If you undergo an FUE, absolutely, we have to shave the back and the sides. There's no getting around that. You do have to do that, but we don't have to shave the top of the head where we're planting the grafts into. Our team is very skilled and more than adept at being able to plant hairs around your existing hairs without damaging them too much. And it means then that our patients can grow the hair on the top of their head as long as they want for the transplant procedure day. And then if we say transplant the front, then they can often style the hair on top over to cover that area up. One of the other points of difference though at Hair Transplants Melbourne is that we don't discourage patients from wearing a loose fitting hat after their procedure. As long as we don't have a beanie or anything that's pressing on the grafts too much, we plant the hairs very well here such that they're unlikely to really fall out. So wearing a loose fitting cap, if you need to run some errands or go down the shop the next day for a coffee, is not going to be a problem. One of the other great things about our clinic too is we provide the two options for extraction. We provide FUE, which is the most common, where we have to shave the back and sides of the head. But we also provide FUT for those people who, say for female clients or our transgender community for whom shaving their hair would be quite traumatic and it would take them such a long time for them to grow that hair back again. They don't want to shave their hair, so they undergo an FUT procedure where we literally just lift a layer of hair up, make the incision, take the skin out, the hair falls over again, and no one need know that anything's been done. So there's lots of ways and means that you can hide the transplant the days after. We've got a lot of happy clients who are ultimately happy with the small amount of downtime that they may have the 1 or 2 days after their procedure for the perceived gain that they get in 12 to 14 months when their full head of hair is grown in. Thanks for watching, everyone.